You work hard to run a safe fleet, but if you're not participating in a weigh station bypass service, your drivers are spending more time than they need at weigh stations. As the minutes and hours add up, so do your fuel, maintenance, and cost of delays. Stop losing time at weigh stations and improve your fleet efficiency with Drivewyze PreClear, North America's largest weigh station bypass service. Drivewyze PreClear is the only bypass service to run on the in-cab devices your trucks already use. Installation and updates are done over the air. Getting your truck set up is as easy as flipping a switch. Get notifications at all weigh stations across the country, and bypasses at more than 2 times as many sites than any other bypass service, all resulting in improved efficiency, more loads, outstanding ROI, and a happier fleet. Get started with Drivewyze PreClear today.